Understanding, do you match prices? A guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase that you might encounter while shopping, especially in English-speaking countries. Do you match prices? Understanding this question can save you money and make your shopping experience smoother. Let's get started. When someone asks, "Do you match prices?" they're inquiring if a store or seller will adjust the price of an item to match the price offered by a competitor. This question is often raised by customers who find that an item is being sold for a lower price elsewhere but prefer to make the purchase from the current store for various reasons, such as convenience or loyalty rewards. Price matching is a policy some stores use to ensure customers can get the best deal without having to shop around too much. It's a way for businesses to stay competitive and for customers to feel they're getting the most value for their money. Knowing how to ask this question can help you save money on purchases, make informed decisions about where to buy, negotiate better deals. You can use this phrase in various shopping situations, whether you're buying electronics, clothing, or groceries. Here's how to approach it. 1. Research. Find evidence of the lower price, such as a flyer, a screenshot, or a web page. 2. Ask politely. Approach a staff member and ask, "Do you match prices?" Show them the proof of the lower price if they require it. 3. Understand the policy. Be aware that some stores have specific conditions for price matching, such as the item being identical and the competitor's price being current. We hope this video helps you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, "Do you match prices?" and that you can confidently use it in your English conversations. Remember, being able to negotiate and ask about pricing policies is a great skill that can save you money. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video.